your hand like this. Put one hand in the neck. Hold it like that. Like that. Okay. Ready?
It's kind of hard.
I don't hear yet. We'll do it again.
See what we did at the end. We went to see 3 islands in the Bahamas. The swimming pigs love to eat. When I fed him one, after that, they kept chasing after me. When I went to Pig Island, I felt rocks and sand in the ocean. Be careful. At this island, we saw turtles. Fun fact, turtles can stay underwater about 10 to 15 minutes.
Huge! It's huge, you see it? Can you eat it? Look, 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 look.
Wait, can you eat what? I'm not asking you to eat it.
Can you eat the fish that's attached to him? No. You see a shell? Look, he's saying Yeah, he'll be like, ah, she touched me. And he'll run. I think he's right there. You see him right here? Come in, like, so you can see the fish. You put a bright green. You see the fish on it? Look, put a fish on him. Look, put a fish on him. You see him? He's like, nope. You see the lot? Can you see the green?
It's right there. See right there. It's right there.
You see the turtle?
Me and Mr. Morgan did a foot race, back and front. I won both of them.
Oh, man. Mr. Morgan, can you help?
Yeah, boy. All right.
All right. I'm going up. Styles.
But make sure you stay tuned because we're almost there for the surprise. Here we are at the surprise. It is a peacock.
There's something to celebrate.
The boy peacocks are colorful and the girl peacocks are brown.